Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to Amaya Lake, Dambulla, and this is the Kandalama Lake. So it took about 3.5 to 4 hours from Negombo to reach. And this is me being a very supportive wife. We are finally at the hotel. So it's a very natural hotel. It looks very nature loving. This is the entrance. To the left is the reception, and this is like a small lobby area, and there you can see the pool. So they have asked us specifically to lock the doors when coming out of the rooms because there's a lot of monkeys and like small animals that usually like get into rooms when we keep them open. Yeah, at our room. So this is like a small cabana. There are units everywhere. So we are here at our room. This is like a small cabana. Let me take you to the room. The interior is actually quite unique. It's not like the ones you go for every day. So this is the bathroom. There's a shower. And also there's a small tub. So we started with dinner this time for a change. Okay, this is the small lounge area in the bar. They had live music. So this was our dinner. So we actually went a little bit late. This is action station. So the dinner was not up to what we thought. They had a lot of varieties, but I guess it was not up to our palate. But overall the food was good. So as you can see, since we went a bit late, like all the foods are kind of over as well. They also had thosai in the action station, and these are the desserts we had. They also had a ice cream corner. So I guess one ice cream was around 450, and it was a nice cut. This is the lake bar. This is just under the lounge area and the reception. So we did get a chance to go around the hotel in one of the go-karts.
මෙතන තව pool එකක් තියෙනවා. කොහොමද? ඒ pool එක ඉස්සර දෙන්නේ නෙමෙයි මෙතන 24 rooms තියෙනවා. thickness switch කියලා luxury type එකට. ඒකයි ඉතර ඒ pool එක තියෙනවා. මෙතන තමයි corner එක. ඉතින් එහා තව කාමර 8ක් තියෙනවා. හරි. ඒක ඉවරයි. අද ඉන්න කාමරාවෙන් හතරක ගෙట్లా ඉන්නේ.
ඔක්කොම කීයක් තියෙනවද?
ඔක්කොම 19ක් තියෙනවා.
ඕල්
ඕල්නා ගෙట్లా රූම් 114ක අනිත් ඉන්න 118ක. අවුරුද්දට full තිබ්බා. ඒක අවතර ජනවාරි ඉඳලා මාර්ච් වෙනකම් ෆොරිනර්ස්ලාගේ ඉන්න full වෙලා ඉප හොටල් එක. මාර විදිහේ ඒ දවස් ටික ආවා.
දැන් ඒගොල්ලෝ සීසන් එක ඉවරයි නේ.
ඔව් ඒ අය බොක්ස් වල වගේ තමයි.
After that, we watched a movie and had an awesome time. Okay, it's the next morning and we are heading out for breakfast. Again, we are late. And we are at breakfast. We are not that late as we thought because everybody came after us, I guess. So the breakfast was really good compared to the dinner we had last night. It was really nice. They had all types of varieties. That's the an international buffet. We are finally sitting for breakfast and the breakfast was wonderful. Everything was really nice and we had a really good breakfast. After breakfast, we are finally at the lake. So usually they allow us to ride the bike, but since I couldn't get on the bike, we just came walking and the view was really breathtaking. There were swings, so we did ride on a few of them. So right there you can actually see the Reservations Kandalama Hotel. It's on the other side of the lake. So now we are taking a nice go-kart ride to the VIP pool. It was a long way, so we definitely had to use the go-kart, but that ride was really nice. And we are finally at the VIP pool. So we had the whole pool to ourselves. This is Shahan all by himself. while I video him. Okay, so this is VIP pool, kind of like an infinity pool. There you can see the lake at the very end. This is the second pool they have. They have two pools. We are now here at the restaurant to have lunch. So we were the first to have lunch. We were really hungry. They had a lot of varieties. Everything was very nice, very tasty. And the beef lasagna was one of my favorites. Since the restaurant area is an open area with no AC, it was kind of very hot during the lunch time, but nonetheless we enjoyed our lunch very much. The desserts were good. It was a nice lunch. The only thing we noticed was that since we started from dinner, there were less guests for the Sunday lunch, so it was very calm and peaceful when we had our lunch. This is the main pool. We used it on the first day, so there's no one because we videoed this in the lunchtime. So overall, I must say that the hotel stay was really good. There were so many things to do, so many places to visit, and the hotel was very spacious. We could walk a lot, we could swim. There were two pools, and the meals were really good. Their customer service was really good. So whenever we wanted to go to any place, they would arrange a go-kart ride, and whenever we needed any amenities, they would provide us with them anytime. The hotel stay was really good. I can rate it a 10 out of 10. We will see you with another video. Bye.